If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on Samsung Galaxy A27, then let me show you what you can do to try to fix your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings, then you want to choose connections over here, and the first thing that we can do is we can go to Wi-Fi, and you want to simply turn off and turn Wi-Fi back on. And there we go. Then of course you should be able to try to quickly reconnect to your network. Ideally, you are going to reconnect to the network straight away, but in case incorrect Wi-Fi is selected because you have, for example, two networks available right next to each other that you can use, then of course you can just tap on the network if it is available here in available networks. In case your network does not show up, you can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and go to advanced settings. Then we can choose manage networks. Then here you should be able to find all your networks. So for example, you can completely forget the network and then you can try to find it again and connect to it. The same thing happens if, for example, for some reason you cannot connect to your network available in here in available networks, or if it is if your network is visible over here in current network but it doesn't work properly, then of course you can go to settings over here and you can completely forget the network. Or you should also be able to change the password, of course. Usually if the password is incorrect, after tapping on the network, you have the option to update the password. And in case you disconnect from the network, if you completely forget it, then of course you can try to connect to it again from this list of available networks. Or if you have Wi-Fi QR code, then you can just use the QR code scanner here in the upper right corner, put the Wi-Fi QR code inside the frame, and you should be able to immediately connect to the Wi-Fi network, even without the password. Another thing that you can do, I'm going to also go to Wi-Fi Direct over here just to see, actually not Wi-Fi Direct, I'm going to go through all of these different options to check if there's something more that we might want to, for example, disable. So over here we have this option, switch to better Wi-Fi networks, which is of course a great option to have enabled, generally speaking, but for example, in some rare cases, your phone might want you to switch to a network that is not really working properly, or maybe there is just something wrong with that other network. So you can consider turning this option off over here. Now, besides that, is there anything else that we can manage? I think that's all, yeah. Alright, so besides that, if none of this works over here in Wi-Fi settings, what you can also do is you can check out more connection options, where you can find private DNS and VPN options. So in the case of private DNS, if you made some changes over here, if you, for example, selected a private DNS provider hostname, you might want to switch to automatic, at least for now, in order to see if that helps. The automatic option is the recommended and standard option. And in the case of VPN, if you use a VPN, whether you created a profile over here or if you use a dedicated app, you want to simply turn off VPN for now, at least, of course, just to see if that helps. In some rare cases, maybe there's something wrong with the VPN connection, and this might be the reason why you have issues with the Wi-Fi not working properly on your phone. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can go to general management in settings. Then over here we need to find the reset option, and then you should be able to find not factory data reset, not this one. Let's go back. This one over here, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You want to reset both of these settings. Unfortunately, we cannot separate these settings, so we reset both of them at once. And of course, this erases all Wi-Fi networks and all your Bluetooth devices. So remember to reconnect to all Wi-Fi networks and pair your Bluetooth devices once again afterwards. But this should allow you to reset all of these settings related to Wi-Fi. So of course, after resetting these settings completely, you might be able to fix something that you cannot actually do by yourself. So then you can just go back to connections, choose Wi-Fi, and connect to your network again. Now, what you can also do on your phone is you can simply restart your phone. So if you go, for example, to the control center or quick settings, then you should be able to tap on this power button to open the power menu, and then you can just restart your phone. And that's all you can do on your phone. And there's one more thing that you can do in general, and that is you can check out if you have access to Wi-Fi on other devices. So if you have any other device next to you, like for example TV or computer or laptop or console or anything that uses the same Wi-Fi as your phone, then of course you can check if you have issues with the Wi-Fi on those other devices as well. If you do, then it means that there is unfortunately something wrong with your Wi-Fi in general, so you might need to deal with that first before you can do anything on your phone. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.